Hi, this is Beth from Aunt Bee's Attic. Today I'm working on a little cabinet to put in our bathroom to hold the paper towels and the toilet paper. It's just a little handmade cabinet that I decided to dress up a little bit. I painted with a coat of cherry picked and then decided to try painting with a brayer to get a not complete finish so it would look like it had worn back. And I did that in French Millinery. Both are DIY colors. And I just kept going back and forth with misting it with water, rolling on paint. And then eventually I go back and forth. I put some cherry picked, then back to the French Millinery. See, misting, letting some of it run. Some of it would pull back when I brayered it, when the brayer was a little drier. It was just almost a playing process to get the look that I wanted. So we'll just let this play and let you watch some of the process if you'd like. And if you like this video, please like it, comment, subscribe, share. Any of those help us out. If you're tired of this part of the process but want to see what was next, you can fast forward to the 5:32 mark. I just didn't want to fast forward and make anybody who actually wanted to see the process have to slow it down to watch it. can see that. That's what I like. Right there. It took a while, but enough layers back and forth, it finally got that old, worn out, some paint worn off, some can't figure out what layer is what look that I wanted. It's sort of like that old piece that somebody made and then didn't need it anymore and stuck it back in a damp basement just to be forgotten. Finished it off with a coat of DIY liquid patina after I was done just distressing parts of it back, just to expose a little bit of paint all the way back to wood. So many times when people make a handmade piece of furniture like this, they stencil or paint some special design to make it dressed up just a little bit. So that's why I wanted to add this stencil onto the doors. I used 3 different shades and sort of go back and forth between them. So it's a faded back and forth look. And then when I was all done, I did a real light sand over it. Probably would have done more, but I sort of really liked the look of the stencil, so I didn't want to like have it look too distressed off. When it was all finished, I added another coat of liquid patina over top of those stencils and the whole rest of the door, and the look was complete. Thanks for watching.